Hi there, I'm author Matt Oldfield, and my book Unbelievable Football, The Most Amazing World Cup Stories You Never Knew is a £1, €1.50 book for World Book Day 2026. So as well as writing the Unbelievable Football series, I am also the co-author of the Ultimate Football Heroes and Football GOAT series. Plus, for those who don't love football quite as much as me, I also write the Ultimate Cricket and Ultimate Rugby Superstars books. As you can probably tell from all those titles, my books are all about sport. Why? Because I love sport, duh. I'd say the best place to read my books is probably as close to a playground or a park as possible, because hopefully once you've read them, they're going to inspire you to want to get up and play too. I love reading anywhere, anytime. Just give me a book and I will do it. But if I had to choose, my favourite place would be my comfy blue chair at home with the sun shining, the back doors open and a nice cool breeze blowing through. Ah, that's the life. Like most people, I think my favourite place to read is probably in the sun on holiday. But if I'm in the middle of writing a book at home, I also love reading first thing in the morning when it's all nice and quiet, because I find that reading other people's work really helps to inspire me to get started on my own story and develop my own ideas. This year, I would love to read more non-fiction books, especially ones that don't have anything to do with sport. Although I write mostly non-fiction, I actually read mostly fiction, and I think it's time to even things out a bit. There are so many amazing non-fiction books, both for kids and for adults out there, and I'm really looking forward to discovering lots more of them. Okay, what should you read next? Number one, I'll go for the first book in my Unbelievable Football series. I love them all, of course, but that one was the first, the original, and it just has so many great stories. Staying with non-fiction, I'd also recommend the Football School series, which offers a really great mix of fun and information and pictures. So I'll choose the first book in that series, Where Football Rules the World. Next, I'll choose two brilliant fiction books. One about football, called Me and Aaron Ramsey by Manon Stephan Rios, and one about athletics, called Ghost by Jason Reynolds. And finally, let's go back to football for Raw by Beth Mead, which I was delighted to work on with her a couple of years ago.